thank you for your participation in our fire and safety seminar and drill that we're about to do today.
Kailangan natin ng 21% of oxygen. That is normal breathing, no? 21% of oxygen. While fire is 16% only of oxygen. Or malit pa lang yung apoy, no? And then palaki ng palaki siya, that is growth stage. So doon sa mga ERT natin hanggat maaari, pag nakita niyo yung apoy na hindi pa nagre-reach sa ceiling, yung flames, you need to provide a fire extinguisher to conduct a firefighting. Pag magkaroon ng enough oxygen, yan po yung tinatawag na flash over. May apoy sa isang room, binuksan mo yung pinto. Ano possible mangyari? Pagbukas ng pinto, biglang sumabog. Yan po yung tinatawag na backtrap. Pwede po kayo dyan mamatay. Kasi yung room po is full po siya ng pressure. Okay? Kaya ginagawa namin dyan, po muna namin yung pinto ng tubig. Tawag dun is cooling process. Pinapalamig namin yung pinto bago namin buksan. Pag hindi tayo nakapag-execute ng 3 minutes to escape, maybe the first, second floor is already poured. So mahirapan tayo mag-escape. So as long as possible, kunin natin ng 1 minute every floor.